Hello Vivekians, welcome to day 3 of your maths class. This is your Srishti ma'am this side.
So our today's topic is like and unlike decimals. So like decimals are those which are or which have same decimal places. Decimal numbers नहीं बोल रही हूँ बच्चे, decimal places. Just keep it in mind. Suppose I have these two fractions, 86.4 and the other one is 96.42 and the next one is 63.124. Now see, in these three decimals you have to check the decimal places. After point, here how many decimal places are there? 1. Here after point how many places? 2. Here after point how many places? 3. So that means these decimals are unlike because they don't have same decimal places. Now if another one more, if I write 12.9, now how many decimal places? 1. That means these two decimals are like and rest are unlike. Now how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals? देखो दो तो decimals equal हैं, let them be. Now the others which are not equal, we can make them also equal. How? Just see. What is the highest number of decimal place? 1, 1, 2 and 3. That means highest value is 3. Now to all the decimal places we have to convert them into 3 places each. अब वो कैसे convert होता है? Just and just very easy by adding zeros. See, 1 is given, I need to add 2 zeros more. अब total कितनी places हो गई? 3. 1, again 2 zeros. कितनी places हो गई now total? 3. 2 places, I added 1 zero. अब total कितनी places हो गई? 3. So now all are having 3 places. So now they all are like decimals. Now our next topic is comparing of decimals, which is completely based on like and unlike of decimals. Now suppose I am having these two decimals 43.6 and the other one is 43.69. याद है ना, 69 नहीं बोलना, 69. Now out of the two which one is greater? सबसे पहला वर्क हम क्या करते हैं? To make the decimals like. Our first step is to make the decimals like. And how to make like? Just by adding the zeros to the smaller places. Here 2 places are there after decimal, here only 1 is there, so I'll add 1 0. Now both are having 2 places after the decimal. Now how to compare? The second step we'll go through is we'll check the whole number part. Whole number part, that means which is very left to the decimal. Decimal के जो left side digits होते हैं, they are the whole number part. उसको अब आपने compare करना है. Here whole number is 43, here also it is 43. Again both are same. अगर यहीं पर एक नंबर बड़ा होता और एक स्मॉल होता तो हम बहुत इजीली अपना साइन लगा सकते थे. नाउ इफ सिंस बोथ आर सेम, नाउ वील कंपेयर द नेक्स्ट नंबर, दैट इज द 10th नंबर आफ्टर द डेसिमल, जो सबसे पहला होता है. दिस इज 6. अगेन आफ्टर डेसिमल दिस इज ऑल्सो 6. नाउ अगेन बोथ आर सेम. नाउ अगेन वील कंपेयर द 100th नंबर, that is again the next number. Here it is 0 and here it is 9. So out of 0 and 9 which is greater? 9 is greater. That means this complete whole for number is greater. That means 43.69 is greater than 43.60. Is it clear? Now the next concept is ascending and descending of decimal numbers, and that is completely based on like and unlike of decimals and then comparing the decimal numbers. तो सबसे पहला स्टेप वही होगा. Let's have few examples. 56.1, then the next number is 38.43, then the next number is 12.001. ठीक है, अब मुझे इन तीनों नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना है. और let's have one more number, that it be 56.5. Let me write it here. ठीक है, I have to compare these 4 और let इज टू मुझे उनको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है इन 4 नंबर्स को. तो अगेन जो हमारा सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है, आई एम राइटिंग द स्टेप्स ओवर हियर टू मेक द डेसिमल्स लाइक. तो सबसे पहले देखो हाईएस्ट वैल्यू 1 वैल्यूज है, 2 3 प्लेसेस, देन 1 प्लेस. आप कंपेयर करो, हाईएस्ट इज 3, आप सबको 3 3 कंप्लीट कर दो. सो 00 single 0, already zeros are there, again I'll add 2 zeros. Now all the values are same, सबके decimal number places 3 3 है, that means decimals like कर दिए मैंने. Now the second step is comparison, जो अभी हमने किया. You have to compare which one is smaller. सबसे पहले तो we compare the whole number part, 56 38 12 and 56. तो 12 वाला आएगा, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट 38. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू थर्ड वन, यहाँ भी 56 एंड अगेन 56. सो व्हाट विल आई डू, लीव 56 द होल नंबर पार्ट. लेट्स कम टू द 10th पार्ट. हेयर इज 1 एंड हेयर इज 5. तो विच वन इज स्मॉलर, दिस वन. तो आई राइट 56.100 and the last value will be 56.500. ठीक है kids. So now exercise 6.3 you have to solve, which is related to this only, like unlike decimals, comparison, and then arranging them in ascending and descending order. Also solve your MCQs which are given, as well as your mental ability questions. Thank you for watching the video.